In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Google Sheets. If you are organizing data in a spreadsheet, there will often come a time when you need to make a little more room. Maybe you want to add a new category, insert extra information between existing columns, or simply keep your sheet better organized. The good news is that adding columns in Google Sheets is quick and easy, and I am going to walk you through 2 simple ways to do it. The first method starts at the top of your spreadsheet. Look for the letter labels that identify each column. Find the column that sits next to where you want the new column to appear. Then click on that column letter. This selects the entire column, which is important because it tells Google Sheets exactly where you want the new column inserted. Once that column is selected, click on the column letter. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose either Insert One Left or Insert One Right, depending on where you want the new column to go. If you want the new column to appear on the left side of the selected column, choose Insert One Left. If you want it on the right side, choose Insert One Right. As soon as you click the option, Google Sheets will add the new column for you. Here is also a second way to do the same thing using the top menu bar. To start, click any cell in the column next to where you want the new column to be inserted. You don't need to select the entire column for this method, but make sure you click within the correct one so the placement is accurate. After that, go to the top menu and click Insert. A drop-down menu will open. Move your cursor over columns and then choose either Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right. Just like before, the option you choose depends on whether you want the new column to appear to the left or to the right of the current column. Once selected, the new column will immediately be added to your sheet. Both methods work well, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. The right-click method is often faster if you are already working directly in the spreadsheet, while the Insert menu can be helpful if you prefer using the toolbar options. Thanks for watching.